Hey guys, we're vlogging today because Noah just said, you want to vlog today? And in case you can't tell, the church is singing.
We pray to the God. It's currently like 9 a.m.
Yeah, that's why these started at 9 and they're still going, but yeah, it's like 9. It's probably like 9:02, so yeah. See you guys whenever something else interesting happens. For now, we're gonna keep walking. We've also walked about 2 miles so far. We walked 1.63 whenever we came out of that antique store. So we've probably walked like about 2 miles now, so yeah. And it's like 70 degrees and it's February, so life is good.
Yeah.
Have anything you wanna say?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter jelly. So we're in the dollar store now that we were trying to get to. We're buying snacks because Noah went, you want to buy some snacks? And we were like, yeah. So now we're just buying snacks. I'm gonna end this now, but I will get back to you if we go somewhere else. When we go somewhere else, because we're going somewhere else. Is that gonna be our outro now? So we wanted to get a little way to carry our snacks, so we found these little bottles. Mine's a Paw Patrol and his is Cars. And they have snack spots on the bottom and drink spots on the top, so that we don't have to keep going in Noah's bag for snacks and drink.
Yes.
I didn't make it back.
You want to have a stick fight?
No.
Okay.
I'm an adult. I don't do that kind of stuff.
Oh, really?
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 Jeez.
Stick fight!
Ow.
Will you defend yourself against my reign of stick? Because I'm wild.
I'm gonna go down at an angle so
I ran over your path, I didn't run over you.
We're gonna go to a waterfall tonight, and I will definitely be recording that because waterfalls are cool. But whenever we get back, I think I'm gonna edit what I have and figure out if we can get his footage to my phone. So we have walked 7 miles so far today, and we're gonna do the waterfall tonight, and it's probably gonna be over 3 miles. So we've probably walked 10 miles. So Noah, repeat what you said like 20 minutes ago before that last clip.
We're climbing.
It gets funnier every time. We climb and ooh, look at the pretty mountains. They're not really mountains, they're more of hills.
What was wrong with the rock?
They pretty.
What was wrong?
It was sideways.
What do you mean?
I mean, it was sideways.
Oh.
That's what I mean. Noah, where you going?
Here, hold this, faggot.
Are you dead? Ah! Oh, did you say you like that shirt?
Yeah.
Oh. Ew. I'm not holding your stupid shirt. Hi.
I actually thought about something this time. Fuck you!
You gotta come back!
What?
You gotta come back! Yeah. We found this really pretty, really old bridge. It's called the Barronvale Bridge of 1830. Send it! Hey!
Alright, your turn. You gotta do it.
I gotta do it.
You gotta do it.
Oh no.
You gotta do it. You gotta hit the water.
Can I throw a little rock?
You can throw a little rock.
I have to get it in the water?
You have to get it in the water.
Okay. It's really far away.
Okay.
I'm really scared.
Alright.
Hey! I got it in the water. Got it in the water. It's my victory dance. Do you like it?
The phone's on 20%.
I know.
Bye, guys. Are we making that our outro? From the top of the head, up and down. Make a rainbow.
Because we're gay.